Hi Sucky Dolls, we're going to start straight into this video. It's me installing this frontal wig that I found on Amazon. I customized it myself to make it look good. Right now I'm just plucking the hairline, trying to give it that natural look so it could look it's coming straight from my scalp, okay? Pretty much just plucking all over, plucking apart. I'm going to part it some and plug that too. So when making my baby hairs, the best thing I found out to use is mousse instead of let it dry. But however, I don't like them natural over the top dramatic looking baby hairs. Girls be coming out looking like they have spaghetti in their forehead, and that is not for me, okay? Natural baby hairs for the win, like for eternity. So then I'm gonna put this little wrappy thing around to have my edges set. It's like when people get those little haircuts. You can find this at the hair store for like $1.99. And then I take my blow dryer and I just dry it to make sure it's setting the way I want, and it's kind of already in place. After waiting about 30 minutes, I come back and I check it, and then my edges are usually done. Now I'm just cutting the lace, doing it right around the hairline so it looks like I never cut straight across. I always cut like a little curve to get each single follicle on there. Foundation, Fenty Beauty, but however I decided to use Maybelline for this try to get something close to my skin tone, of course, and just to try a new product. I actually found this is pretty cool way to help your wig look more natural too, like come out right at your scalp. At first, I was not for it. It looked really messy and weird, but no, it's a great method to try. The glue I'll be using is Ghost Bond. Shout out to my mama because she put me onto that little product from Amazon for like $21. So y'all go get this. I put this straightening spray on after I applied my wig. So I thought I was going to wear a bone straight, but then I changed my mind. It was like, whatever. This actually was my first night ever cutting layers. I'm just getting started with this hair stuff, but I don't know. I just be trying different stuff. I watched the video. I could not understand it at all. I'm more of like a physical person to learn. Y'all, last night I was like, you know what? Let's go for it. And I started cutting my hair. And boom, 3 hours later, I went from Little Bow Wow to Little Mama. This frontal wig was pretty cool installing. I did my makeup, and this is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something with me, and I'm looking forward to growing our Saki Doll family. Please like this video, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at THESAKIMO. And I will see you guys next time. Sakimo out.